Welcome to Astro Barney. This YouTube channel is a English translation version of Maributhu P's YouTube channel. Rahu Ketu transit. First we'll see what is Rahu Ketu. I hope most people know about Rahu Ketu, but still I will give basic explanation. As per Vedic astrology, Rahu and Ketu is one of Navagraha. Still it doesn't hold any physical identity and is also known as a shadow planet. Rahu and Ketu position 180 degree each other always. Why? Because since it is a 2 point of intersection on the path of sun and moon. If you don't understand, let me give example. Well, let's say Rahu is in first house, then Ketu will be positioned in seventh house. That is, it always lies 180 degree each other. For symbol, Rahu represent dragon head and human body, whereas Ketu represent human head with dragon body. Only these two planets always move in anti-clockwise direction. Then transit position and time. As per Vedic astrology, the transit time for Rahu and Ketu is 1.5 years. Since Rahu and Ketu moves in anti-clockwise direction, at present Rahu is in Gemini house and Ketu is in Sagittus. So from September 2020, Rahu will move to Taurus house and Ketu will move to Scorpio. This transit period is from September 2022 till March 2022. That is 1.5 years. Kritika Nakshatra prediction. Characteristics of Kritika Nakshatra. They are caring and protective by nature. With Agni as a ruling deity, they are determined and generally intolerant towards imperfection. Nakshatra Lord is Sun. Kritika Nakshatra first pada lies in Aries house. Remaining second, third and fourth pada lies in Rishabha house. First we'll see Padam 1. For Padam 1, it is lies in Aries house. For you, Rahu comes to your second house. Second house denotes immediate family members, speech and personal income. So the Rahu will enhance all these things. It is actually a very good time for you. In speech, diplomatic will increase. So those who are doing business with speech like speakers, example astrologer, lawyer, they will be more diplomatic in their work. So your personal income will be improved. And because of your diplomacy, there will be a good relationship among your family members also will get improved. Next, Ketu. For you, Ketu sits in 8th house. Generally in 8th house denotes secrets and unexpected events. It is actually not a favorable position. Ketu sitting in 8th house gives delay and resistance in unexpected times. So you have to be patient to get things done. Next we'll see Padam 2, 3 and 4. It is lies in Taurus house. For you, Rahu sits on your own house, that is Janma Rashi, first house. You will be highly motivated person. You can ask me how? Because your disappointment will go this next 1.5 years. When disappointment is not there means then everything will lies in the same place in a life. You will get a new hope in your life to move forward. That strength will be given by Rahu. Rahu is like a long rope. It's a right time to put efforts and improvements. So there is a possibility of rising higher in position from your present situation. If you have any problem in health for a longer time, then it is a time to take a medicine. You will regain sound health. If you are planning for any new steps in your life, then this is the right time to do. Foreign opportunities for going abroad, job possibilities is there. Direct and indirect business possibilities is there. You will learn other languages, that is foreign languages. By learning foreign languages, your friend circle will improve. Chances of improving is more. So there is a possibility you can do business in partnership. You will get many people's support and love. Same way, many people will be looking forward to get your love and attention. As I told already, you will be highly motivated person. The students will study well, chances of going higher in their studies. Kedu. At present, Kedu sitting in 8th house gave lot of troubles. Now it is moving to 7th house. It is actually good for you. Because when I tell you in terms of percentage, at present if you are getting trouble 100%, it will be reduced into 35% for the next 1.5 years. Why? Because Ketu sitting in 8th house give an unexpected delay and resistance. But moving into 7th house denotes friends, life partner, and if you are doing business means your business partner. So you have to be careful with these people. You have to take care of your life partner, body and mental issues. Even if you have many friends or partners, there is a possibility somebody goes against you. So careful with your friends. Expected things may not happen. Girls should be careful with your lovers. There may be possibility of unfavorable situation. It may break your heart and feel future is uncertain. But be strong. This moment is not permanent because Ketu sits in your 7th house for 1.5 years only. So situation will change in future. So bottom line, for Ketu in next 1.5 years you should be careful with your friends. For Ragu, you will become highly motivated person. You can grow higher in your life. Astrology remedies. For Ketu, pray for Sai Baba. Do it on Tuesday. For Ragu, pray for Ambar. This is a generalized prediction. If you want accurate prediction, we have to check individual horoscope. For prediction in English, send your horoscope to astrobarney@gmail.com. The charges for the prediction is up to customer satisfaction. If you like this video, please press like button and give your support by subscribing the channel and sharing the videos. Thank you.